When Muslim League established, Muslim League was established in 30 December 1906 in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Which pact was example of Hindu-Muslim unity? The Lucknow Pact of 1916 was example of Hindu-Muslim unity during the era of the Indian independence movement. Muhammad Ali Jinnah advocated Hindu-Muslim unity in early years of his political career. When Kanpur Mosque tragedy occurs. Kanpur Mosque tragedy occurs on 20 July 1913. Maston himself visited Kanpur and inspected the mosque. He exhibited complete disregard the feelings of Muslims and authorities abolished the eastern part of mosque. The action sparked off an outrage among the Muslims and condemned throughout India. When partition of Bengal take place, partition of Bengal was take place in 1905. Write the leaders of Khilafat movement. The Khilafat movement, also known as the Indian Muslim movement, 1919 to 24. Shaukat Ali, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Hakim Ajmal Khan, and Abdul Kalam Azad was a leader of Khilafat movement of British Raj. Who was B. Amma? Abadi Banu Begum was a prominent voice in the Indian independence movement. She was also known as B. Amma. She was one of the first Muslim women to actively take part in politics and was part of movement to free India from the British Raj. What is the main point of Lucknow Pact? The Lucknow Pact was an agreement reached between the Indian National Congress and the Muslim League at a joint session of both the parties held in Lucknow in December 1916. Through the pact, the two agreed to allow representation to religious minorities in the provincial legislatures. What are the objectives of Khilafat movement? The Khilafat movement was an agitation by India Muslims allied with Indian nationalism in the years following World War First. Its purpose was to pressure the British government to pressure the authority of the Oman Sultan as a Khalifa of Islam following the breakup of Oman Empire at the end of war. When Chori Chora occurred on 5 February 1922, participants of the non-cooperation movement clashed with police, resulting in the deaths of about 22 policemen and 3 civilians at Chori Chora in the Gorakhpur district in the United Provinces. When non-cooperation movement started, the non-cooperation movement was pitched in under leadership of Mahatma Gandhi and the Indian National Congress and September 1, 1920 to February 1, 1922, marking a new awakening in the India independence movement. When Qaid-e-Azam represents 14 points, Muhammad Ali Jinnah left for England in May 1, 1928 and returned after 6 months. In March 1, 1929, the Muslim League session was held at Delhi under the presidency of Jinnah. In his address to his delegates, he consolidated Muslim viewpoints under 14 items, and these 14 points became Jinnah's point. When Cripps mission came into India, the Cripps mission was failed attempt in late March 1942 by the British government to secure full Indian cooperation and support for their efforts in World War II. The mission was headed by a senior minister, Sir Stafford Cripps. When Gandhi came into India from South Africa, a hero's welcome awaited Gandhi when he landed on January 9, 1915 at the Apollo Bandar in Mumbai. 3 days late, he was honored by the people of Mumbai at the magnificent reception in the Platel House of Mumbai, managed Jahangir Petit. Defined Gandhi techniques of politics. Gandhi introduced to the world two concepts of ahim, and satyagrah. Within the framework of these concepts, Gandhi employed a multitude of tactics such as peaceful non cooperation with the authorities and massive boycotts of goods and services. Who requests Gandhi to come into India? Few people know than the instrumental in getting Gandhi back to India permanently. He was his political guru Gopal Krishna Gokhale. After the first meeting between Gokhale and Gandhi in 1896, the two spent more than a month together at a Calcutta Congress of 191. Write a note on Quit India and Gandhi. We also known as the India August Movement and August Kranti. It was officially launched by the India National Congress led by Mahatma Gandhi on 9 August 1942. The movement gave his slogans Quit India, Bharat Chodo. Gandhi gave the slogan to the people do or die. Write a note on Gandhi and non-cooperation movement. The non-cooperation movement was launched on 5th September 1920 by Mahatma Gandhi with the aim of self-governance and obtaining full independence as the Indian National Congress withdrew its support for British reforms following the when Jinnah was born in 25 December 1876 in Karachi. When Jinnah entered in politics, although Jinnah initially opposed separate electro electorate